Hello, welcome to the Transcendent. In this video, we'll learn HTML paragraphs. Let's examine the paragraph element in action on a web page. We have 3 paragraphs of text, each clearly defined for structure. Where are we now in this context? This is a platform called CodePen, where anyone can swiftly create a demo or experiment by entering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into designated panes, with results displayed instantly on another section of the page. You can explore CodePen to view other users' creative coding experiments effortlessly. By opening this demo in your browser, you can modify it, experimenting freely to observe the outcomes. No CodePen account is required to test these interactive demos. Feel free to experiment with it extensively. To retain a personal copy of these interactive demos, incorporating any custom modifications you desire to implement, a basic CodePen account is entirely free of charge. Rest assured, you can extensively tweak these demos without altering the original versions, as CodePen seamlessly generates a unique duplicate for your use. We thought leveraging CodePen for this purpose significantly streamlines the learning process, enabling us to concentrate promptly on core concepts without investing substantial time in configuring a complex coding environment. We have an HTML editing window positioned on the left side and a dedicated results window on the right for instant feedback. However, these do not resemble distinct paragraphs as intended. The browser is rendering our 3 paragraphs as a single, undifferentiated block of text. We must properly mark up each paragraph with end tags to ensure the browser recognizes them as separate entities, enabling clear formatting and structure. We'll insert an opening tag at the start and a closing tag at the end of the first text block. Now the browser recognizes this initial paragraph distinctly, while the remaining text remains an undifferentiated block. We'll enclose the next 2 paragraphs within their own end tags to ensure proper structure. Now we have HTML that clearly describes this content for accurate browser interpretation. The browser understands these are separate paragraphs of text because we explicitly define them with precise markup.